Welcome to TechSolutionz. This is where we take complicated Linux and cybersecurity topics and break them down into simple, practical steps. If you want stronger skills and cleaner solutions, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 12 essential Kali Linux commands that every user should feel comfortable with. These are the building blocks of daily work inside Kali. Navigation, searching, updating, scanning, all the things that quietly make you faster and more confident in the terminal. Let's start from the top. When you're unsure about your exact location inside the file system, simply check the line shown on your screen. That one small action helps you stay oriented as you move through Kali's directory structure. Once you know where you are, the next step is seeing what's around you. To view everything inside your current folder, just run the instruction you see right now. You'll notice variations in the visuals too, like how to reveal hidden files or get detailed listings. After that, navigation becomes your daily habit, and moving between folders is something you'll repeat constantly. Follow the shortcut highlighted in the terminal demo, and you'll see how to go back, jump home, or switch into any path quickly and cleanly. Copying is your next essential skill. Whenever you need a duplicate of a file or even an entire folder, use the method displayed on the screen. The example also shows the specific option required when copying directories, so follow that closely. Once you've copied something, you may want to rename it or move it to a new place. For that, mirror the action shown in the overlay. Both tasks use the same tool, so pay attention to how the demonstration handles it. Now comes the dangerous one, deleting. If you need to remove a file or a directory, follow the removal pattern appearing on your screen. This part demands caution. When the example shows how to remove entire folders, watch the details. Your typing matters here more than anywhere else, because a single mistake can wipe out far more than you intended. Next is searching. When you're looking for a specific file buried somewhere in the system, use the search pattern shown in your terminal. It can look through multiple directories and match file names or types, saving you time and frustration. And once you've located the file, sometimes you need to search inside it. For that, apply the technique shown on the on-screen terminal. Your system also needs updates, and keeping Kali current is part of using it properly. To refresh your package lists and upgrade everything, follow the update sequence visible in the example. This keeps your machine fast, secure, and stable. Right after that, you'll want control over services, things like SSH, Apache, and other components used constantly in pen testing. To manage those, follow the service control example that appears during this part of the video. Being able to start, stop, or enable a service is a core skill once you get deeper into real-world labs. Networking is another essential area. If you want to see your network interfaces, IP addresses, and connection details, just run the network command shown on the screen. This gives you the full picture of how your machine is connected, which is crucial before running any scans or tests. And finally, we reach the classic tool for mapping networks. To discover devices, identify open ports, and understand what's running around you, use the scan example demonstrated in the terminal. Even a basic scan can reveal a surprising amount of information about your environment. These 12 commands form the foundation of working confidently in Kali Linux. Once these basics feel natural, the entire system becomes easier to understand, and every advanced tool you learn afterward, whether it's Metasploit, Burp Suite, automation, or wireless testing, starts making much more sense. Master these essentials, and the rest of Kali opens up smoothly. Thanks for watching TechSolutionz. If this video helped you out, tap like and consider subscribing. It really supports the channel, and there's plenty more tutorials, fixes, and hands-on Linux guides coming your way. I'll see you in the next one.